Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I transform cheap Amazon wigs. Make sure that you click the subscribe button, make sure that you click the notification bell, and let's just go ahead and get started. So the link to this hair will be in the description box. This is a neon green lace front unit that I got from Amazon.com, and the color, I just want to know, is super vibrant. It comes with 3 combs, adjustable straps, and a dark root, so it's going to be easy to blend with your natural hair if your hair is a dark color like mine. So here I'm just combing out the hair and placing it on my mannequin, and I'm gonna go ahead and start plucking the hairline. I'm gonna just take a small section from the front and I'm just gonna pluck some hairs where I see that the hairline is kind of thick. This is gonna make it look more natural, and you want to take a small amount from the hairline and just begin to pluck. Make sure you're careful when you're plucking because you can rip the lace. So here I'm plucking the parting space. Basically what I'm doing is I'm opening up the parting space so it'll look more natural and more like a real part. So I'm just going upward towards the parting space and I'm plucking as I go. And here you can see how it's looking more open and you can see more of the lace and it looks like a more natural part. From there, I'm going to apply some concealer into the part that's just going to make it look even more like a real scalp. The concealer that I'm using is basic concealer, y'all, from the beauty supply store. I don't even think it has a brand name, but it does the job well, okay? So you just want to take a small amount of concealer and dab in the parting space and make sure that you blend it. I usually just use my fingers to blend. Now I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to take small scissors. I'm going to cut around the hairline. I try to cut a little bit zigzag, not completely straight, because it's going to make it look more realistic when you glue your lace front down. So now you can see the difference between when we first started and how the parting looks now. So from here, I'm going to place my wig glue. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the first part. I placed it on my hairline and then I added the wig cap. I usually use a blow dryer, but y'all, I could not find my blow dryer, so I just had to do it the old-fashioned way. I fanned it, let it dry, and then I cut my wig cap. Now I also did spray the freezing spray from Got to Be Glued on this wig cap before I cut it. So now I'm just applying my wig. And you'll feel that it instantly does start to stick to the wig, and you'll feel way more secure with this cap method. So that's the majority of the styling piece. I'm going to give you guys some more details, let you see a complete 360 of the wig. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, queens, let me go ahead and fill you in on this unit. Now, if it looks a little shorter on this side, I did trim it because I originally wore it as a side part, but this is a middle part wig, so yeah. I did purchase this unit from Amazon.com. The company's name is Sapphire Wigs, and I'm really pleased with the unit that I received. The color is true to color. It is this neon lime green. It reminds me of like a money green, and it's a really fun unit to wear, especially for the summer. It is very affordable. I will leave the link to everything in the description. It looks really good for a synthetic unit, and it is affordable as well. I believe it's $38 online, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. The one thing that I do really like about this unit is the thickness. It is a full wig. It's not like super thin or anything like that. It has a full density and it's soft. The lace was also soft, which I really appreciated because I'm not a fan of hard lace. As far as styling, it comes with these curls, these loose curls, and the curls hold very well. I've been brushing and styling and wearing this wig for a couple of days, and it looks really good still. So if you guys like this unit, this style, or even this color, leave me some love in the comments. Put a green heart emoji if you're feeling it, because I really like it. I've never tried this shade of green before. I have a darker green wig that I'll be showing you guys later, but this is new for me. So please let me know what you guys think. If you have not already joined the Queendom, make sure you click subscribe before you leave. I'd love to see you again, and I'll go ahead and give you that 360 and see you in the next video.